MonoCloud gives you authentication, SSO, and identity management all in one platform. Here's how to get started from scratch. Head to monocloud.com and click Sign Up. Enter your email address and click Continue. Create a password, and MonoCloud will send a verification code to your email. You can either click the verification link directly or enter the code manually. We'll enter the code and click Continue. And just like that, you're in. Now let's set up your first project. Give it a name, choose a domain, select your region, and click Create Project. On the next screen, you can configure your authenticators, identifiers, and social connections. We'll leave everything as is for now and click Continue. Next is branding. Here, you can set your primary and background colors, upload your logo and favicon, and see the preview update in real time, so you know exactly how your login page will look. We'll keep the defaults for now and click Continue. Now it's time to create your first application. Give it a name, select the application type, choose your technology, and click Create Application. You'll be given a client ID, which is safe to use in your app, and a client secret, which should always remain private. Head over to the Quick Start tab, and you'll notice the URLs are already pre-filled. Click Set on each one, and your dashboard configuration is complete. Right now, the user count is 0, so let's wire this up to a Next.js app. We already have a Next.js application ready to go. Install the MonoCloud Next.js SDK. It's just one package. Then paste your application credentials into your .env.local file. Next, add the MonoCloud middleware. It automatically protects your routes. No sign-in button to wire up, no extra code to write. Run the app and open it in your browser. The middleware will redirect you straight to MonoCloud's hosted login page. Sign up, authenticate, and you're done. Your app now has secure, fully functional authentication. Head over to Dashboard, and you can see the total user count increased from 0 to 1. In the Users tab, we can see the user and can click on it to see its details. Get started for free at monocloud.com.